Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the last part of this chapter. In our previous video, we have done the problem sums which were based on multiplication and division. Now, this last two sums are there which are based on simplify problem sums. As we have already done simplify type sums where we were using DMAS rule. DMAS means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, that is DMAS. So simplification, for doing simplification we have to follow this DMAS rule. Now here simplify problem sums are there. That means problem sums are there which includes the rule of DMAS. By using this rule only you can solve the problem sums. Let's see what is there. First question is, a farmer sold 15 kg of ghee at the rate of rupees 185. What a farmer is doing? He is selling 15 kg of ghee at the rate of rupees 185. Means for 1 kg ghee he is paying taking 185 rupees. So how much he is getting by selling 15 kg, that we don't know. Then again he is selling rice at the rate of rupees 25 per kg. Along with the ghee he is also selling rice which is of rupees 25 per kg, means 1 kg. How many kg of rice did he purchased? Here he is purchasing rice, he is not selling rice, okay. Only he is selling ghee and then he is purchasing rice of that money which he is getting by selling the ghee, okay. I hope the question is clear to you all. Now the answer is, cost of 1 kg ghee is rupees 185. Total ghee he sold is 15 kg. Now total amount he got will be 185 multiplied with 15, because 185 is for 1 kg. So for 15 kg how much he is getting? We have to do the multiplication. Now as we know, multiplication is of 2 digit, that is multiplier is of 2 digit. For that I have to put 1 0 before starting the multiplication. Then we have to start from the left hand side. 1 5s are 5, 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. Then 5 5s are 25. So I will write here 5 and 2 will be carried upon. Then 5 8s is 40 plus 2 42. So for that I will write here 2 and 4 will be again carried upon. Then 5 ones are 5 plus 4 9. Don't forget to write the numbers one below the other. Now we have to do the addition of these numbers. 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 9 is 17. For that I will write here 7 and 1 will be carried upon. 1 plus 1 2. So your answer is 2775. Means for selling 15 kg of ghee he is getting total amount, that is 2775. Now what is the next step? He is purchasing rice at the rate of rupees 25. Now cost of 1 kg rice is rupees 25, which is given in the question. Amount he got by selling the ghee is 2775. Therefore kg of rice the farmer can be obtained by dividing the total amount, that is 2775, by 25. By doing this, whatever the quotient we will get, that much kg of rice the farmer can bought over here. Okay, so let's do the division part. Division 2775 divided by 25. Now 25 is smaller than 27, so we can divide it. So 25 ones will be 25. Do the minus. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now what dividend is remaining here? 2. So 2 cannot be divided by 25. So I have to bring one number down. This will again become 27. Again I can do ones and this will be 25. Minus 7 minus 5, 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again bring this number down. So this will become 25, and again I have to do 25 ones are 25. Minus 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0 and 0. So here I am getting 0 as remainder. So what is my quotient is 111. So in the answer you can write here the farmer. This is the concluding statement you have to write. The farmer can buy 111 kgs of rice. I hope the question is very clear to you all. Okay, so read the question properly. In simplification problem sums, you may get 2 or 3 questions together in one given question. So for that you have to do 2-3 different calculations. So you have to do it part by part. So read the question carefully and accordingly whatever the given in the question, write down the given, then do the calculation, and afterward don't forget to write this concluding statement. Okay. Now the next question is, Raj purchased 17 toy cars. I hope you also would be liking cars, and that is toy cars in your childhood. And now also I hope if you get the remote control car you would be enjoying it. Okay, so similarly a boy is there. He purchased 17 toy cars, each costing rupees 175. Means for one toy car he have to give 175. And 23 aeroplanes. 23 aeroplanes also is purchasing together, each costing rupees 365 from a toy shop. What total amount did he spend? So here in the question you can see the child is purchasing two different types of toys, that is car and aeroplanes. So for that, how much total amount he has to spend to that toy shopkeeper, we have to calculate over here. So cost of one toy car is 175 rupees. Number of toy cars are 17. So total cost of only cars if we are doing, so that is 175 multiplied with 17. Now as you can see it is 2-digit multiplication. First we have to put 10 and then start the multiplication. 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1. Then 7 5s are 35. For that I have to write here 5 and 3 will be carried upon. 7 7s are 49 plus 3 will be 52. So I will write here 2 and 5 will be carried upon. 7 1s are 7 plus 5 is 12. Now I have to add all these things. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 1 is 2. So your answer is 2975. That means total cost of all the cars are 2975. Now we have to go for the next toy, that is aeroplane. Now he is also buying 23 aeroplane and the cost of one aeroplane is rupees 365 and number of aeroplanes are 23. So total cost of aeroplanes can be calculated by multiplying both the numbers, that is 365 multiplied with 23. Again 2-digit multiplication, so I have to put here 10. Then start from the left hand side. 2 5s are 10. So for that 0 I will write here. 1 will be carried upon. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 I will write here. 1 will be carried upon. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Now 3 5s are 15. 5 I will write. 1 will be carried upon. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. So I will write here 9 and 1 will be carried upon. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Now I have to add all these numbers together. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 9 is 9. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. So my answer is 8395. That means this much amount he has to pay for aeroplanes. Now total amount we are supposed to calculate here. That is, what total amount did he spend, means for car and for aeroplane how much he is paying together to that shopkeeper. For that we have to do the addition of both the numbers. So total amount spent will be calculated by adding both the values together, that is cost of cars and cost of aeroplanes, that is 2975 plus 8395, and you will get total as 11370 by doing the calculation like this. 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 carried over, then 7 plus 1 8, plus 9 is 17. So 7, 1 again will be carried over. 9 plus 1 10, plus 3 13. 3 will write here and 1 will be carried on. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 3, and plus 8 is 11. So your answer should be 11,370. Now final statement you will write as Raj has to spend total rupees 11,370 to the toy shop. So this way you have to do the sum. I'm giving you few sums for the practice. Do it well and complete your notebook. From next video we'll start with the new chapter. Thank you.